What's up everyone? It's the week of January 10th and Rachel is still with her grandma. She's doing much better. She's just there now helping her with a few things, but as far as her health and everything, she's great and back to normal, so that's good. But since she is out of town and her internet there is still not great for uploading YouTube videos and she didn't take her camera, you get me this week. Alright, so this is one of Rachel's kits here, and I'm actually showing this because I calibrated the cutters last week before I started, but look at this one here. It's just not quite cutting right still. The sticker is pilling just a little too low, and while I think that that's probably fine since you can still see all the letters, this kit will eventually end up inside an oops bag because it is lower than it's supposed to be, and Rachel likes to have a little bit more color on all sides of her boxes so they're a little more centered. You can see all the rest of these up here look pretty decent. It's just down in this bottom row where we have some issues. So this kit will end up going inside of an oops bag, at least this sheet will, and I'm going to see if I can recalibrate the machine and get that sorted out. Alright, so as a comparison, here's the one here that I was saying wasn't like perfect, and you can see like how birthday is right at the top of where the cut line is. And I was saying how like it's not perfect, but it's like right at that line where like maybe I'd be okay sending it, maybe not. But I absolutely know Rachel will not want to send this, so that's going to a new bag. Here's more like what it should look like. I know it's not the exact same kit, but you can see, if this will focus, you can see how the appointment, the cut line's above it, so there's orange above the letters, and you can have a very clear, like the word's definitely all there. This is like what she wants to send. And so I'm working on one of the machines to get it back to this, but luckily the middle machine is still working, so I'm able to keep cutting kits. So this kit here is the February monthly, the Happy Planner one. And it's actually, this whole order is ready to go, so I'm going to bag it up and start cutting the next one. So this is the whole Candy Hearts set here, and I just wanted to tell you guys something funny that happened the other day. So I was packing up a kit that was similar sheets to this one. It wasn't this exact kit, but it was the same like kind of layout. And I called Rachel just to make sure I had everything. And apparently there's a very specific way she stacks these when she sends them. Now, I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but she always like starts with this sheet here, and then like that one's under it, then that one, then that one, and then these three here go in last. And she always stacks her on this style kit in that order. And so when I was getting ready to stack it, I had them all mixed up because I just peeled them off the paper and put them in order. And she was like, no, you gotta rearrange them and put them in this order. And it's just like the little things, you know, that really make the presentation something special. It's Wednesday now. We skipped a few days, but that's okay. That's the way the weekly vlogs go. So we got some cutters set up over here, and you can see I have my GoPro set up to record for my daily vlog as well as to grab some footage for this. So we're gonna be filming some sticker cutting. And then we'll see what else happens. I have a couple that are actually already to go. They were cut. I just gotta pack them up, some orders that came in. And then I got like 3 orders to cut, and that's everything that's there right now. So you should probably go order some more stuff because we're running out of things to print and cut. And I just can't have Rachel sitting here bored next week after I was so busy. That would just be strange. I'm done cutting for the night, and I wanted to show you guys the sticker kits. So first up, we have this February one. It's just a single sheet planner kit here. It's just got like some labels. It's got some day of the week labels and then a couple little colorful boxes there that I'm sure all have some very technical names that I have no idea what they are. But this is a pretty cool kit. It's just like the one page, and it takes care of, like, I guess the monthly view for February. So that's cool. And then there's this one. This is the Hello Spring kit. And it has like this sheet with a bunch of different pictures on it that are all spring related. And then there's this one, which is, I think she kind of has this in all of her kits just with different colors depending on the theme, and it just has a bunch of different stickers for different things that you might mark in your planner on a weekly basis or daily basis. It's got these little heart checklists. And then this is another sheet that always gets themed for whichever kit it is. This one has pictures of springtime. It's got some rabbits and some eggs. And then it's got some birds, and the other boxes are just colored to match the theme. And then the next sheet is another colored one that comes pretty standard, just with different colors. It has bills and what you're watching and reading. It has some stickers for the days of the week, because you gotta decorate those. And then of course it comes with big numbers, so you can replace the tiny ones that no one can read with these nice, easy to read numbers to fill your calendar with. Then, what kit would be complete without all these checklists? I mean, you gotta write stuff down and check it off, so here you go. Tons of options. You'll never run out of things. Well, you'll never run out of space to write things down in. After that is this one. So it has these, like, I guess these are called washi strips. I guess, I don't know. And it's got like different decorations, and these ones got like little decorations on them. And that one's got like a big banner that's it's like some flowers and maybe a tree that's blooming. So that's cool. And then the last one's a bunch of different stickers. There's to-do stickers today, some different things that you're doing. If you like meal plan or want to write down what you ate and what you watched that day, if you exercised. And then some more decorative things, because let's be real, if you're buying planners and you're buying paper stickers, you're probably into the way it looks. Otherwise, you would just be using your calendar on your phone. Alright, and then one more kit here. This one is called Candy Hearts. This is a Valentine's Day one. It's kind of the same layout as the other ones, just candy themed. So you got all these wonderful candy hearts. Just make me want to go buy a box of candy hearts and read about 2 of them and then just eat the rest. And then there's this sheet here, which is pretty standard second sheet stuff with some nice colors to really make your calendar pop and go, hey, don't forget to do the laundry today. Or, hey, happy birthday. Or the most important one over here, payday and pizza night, right next to each other, because on payday, you're gonna have pizza night. Alright, after that is this sheet here. It has all these more candy hearts and some colorful boxes that you can write things in, or just cover up some of the white space so it has a little bit more decoration. And then there's this sheet here that I can't get apart because they're all stuck together for some reason. Look at this one. Yeah, look at those nice colors. Oh, it's focusing better, but those last two were blurry, weren't they? That's okay. And of course you got the big numbers, because you want to be able to read your calendar. So you got to have those numbers. Of course you want to know when your bills are due. If you're the kind of person that reads, or if you're me, you just cross those out and put currently watching. Alright, more colorful stickers that say to do, what you're doing today. If you work, go buy stuff. Then some more lists so you can keep track of what you're eating and watching. And this asterisk down here, which is if you write something and need to put a footnote, I guess. More decorative candy hearts, so you can just color everything with candy hearts. And then of course, the infamous washi strips, because you gotta have the washi strips to decorate. And then plenty of checklists, so you can check off all the Valentine's Day things you gotta do, like buy chocolates and bears and cards. Take a break from all the sticker stuff. I want to show you guys a little bit behind the scenes of my YouTube channel. So I'm here, thought I'd do a little change of scenery from my video that I was recording tonight, and here we are. I got the lights set up here, and back there. I'm sure it's giving you guys this lovely view. And then I have my GoPro clamped to Rachel's tripod, but I thought that was funny since I do have a camera mount for it. This GoPro wouldn't fit on it. Anyways, I thought that'd be a fun behind the scenes for you guys, since I know when Rachel does her video, she likes to do some like kind of sneak peeks of that kind of stuff, and I just want to make sure you guys are getting the content that you subscribed for and not the bizarre things that I would do.